guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna unbox my May edition of Birchbox. So you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep on watching. I am so beyond shocked right now that Birchbox is already here. Like I just did my review last week of Birchbox, but that was for April and like March. At least you guys told me that was the April and like March box. I think they did the March box as like a second edition box or like the spoiler mystery box, but you guys let me know in the comments if that was what it was. And then now the May box is here and it came so freaking fast. Like the rest of my BoxyCharm and Ipsy still hasn't gotten here yet, and this has already gotten here. So that's actually quite surprising because usually my Lore Beauty should just come sometime within the end of this week, next week, and Play by Sephora used to come in by like the halfway, like by the 20s of the month. So I'm kind of surprised at how fast Birchbox got here. They ain't playing. Oh my gosh. Okay, by the way, you guys also told me, because in the last video I talked about how my box has said the sassy Allie Dawson. This one says the clever Allie Dawson. I think it's kind of cute that they do that. I think that is so freaking cute. And this is how this month's box looks. Now before I dive into this box, let's look to see if there's any specials that they have going on for signing up. Let's take a look. Oh, by the way, I know I might get some questions and asking, well, about this eye look. I will have everything I'm wearing listed down below, but I actually filmed a tutorial on this look, so that video will be coming out this week. Okay, so right now they're still doing the first box for $1 with the annual subscription. Use the code $1 at checkout, but you have to get a year's worth, I believe. You can get the full-size Sunday Riley CEO cream if you do a 6-month subscription, or you can do the free lipstick color changing duo when you join for 6 months as well. So that's what they have for specials right now. And like I said, I'll have these like listed down below, but these are the specials they have going on right now if it comes to signing up for Birchbox. Now, I've had a lot of you guys in the comment section tell me that you guys actually canceled your Birchbox because you guys hated the crappy samples. I'm okay with it because I'm used to Sephora Play. Or Play by Sephora. That's how they did. It was $10 a month to get like little itty bitty size sample, like this type of size sample of products. And I actually didn't mind it because, you know, it introduced me to brands that I never would have tried because they're so expensive, and I was just a cheapskate and didn't want to get it because I'm cheap and I'm frugal. And they introduced me to brands and that I actually went and bought full size products because of it. So I'm hoping Birchbox says the same. First off, I think these are so cute. These are so freaking cute. All right, so it says tip number 123. For the next 10 minutes, enjoy some you time. You deserve it. Thanks, I appreciate that. All right, so the first product, oh my gosh, y'all need to look at this. This is just like a box full of freaking goodies. All right, so in honor of our partnership with the Female Founder Collective, we've asked a few of the women of Birchbox to pick a FFC member they admire and share why. Female Found Collective. Oh, okay. I was about to say, what is an FCC? That's what that is. Okay, that's cool. Cool. All right, so the first product that I see in here, okay, this is the third time I've gotten this. This is from Benefit Cosmetics. This is their Real mascara. I actually had the full size because I got it in PR from Benefit Cosmetics, but this is the sample size right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this bad boy into my No Waste Wednesday. And I've gotten a lot of questions recently about what is No Waste Wednesday. Well, typically I do get PR from BoxyCharm. I get a base box, a pure base box. I get my premium, and sometimes I get the luxe just, you know, every 3 months. Then I get my Ipsy. Then I get Birchbox, I get a Lore Beauty box, and then I also just get sent random PR every once in a while from brands. I just send it to my P.O Box. So what I like to do, I like to get products that I have accumulated that month, and whether it be PR or subscription boxes, and I put it in one big box just to do a giveaway at the end of the month because I already have a big enough collection behind me. If you guys watched my video, my eyeshadow palette collection alone, which I'll list right up here, someone counted and they said like, I think I had 146 eyeshadow palettes. I have more now. Okay, I have a lot more now, and that's a lot. Like I needed to go through shit. Just like I am going to film this week just a declutter of my lipsticks alone, because that's an embarrassment that I don't like to show. Like don't look. It's embarrassing. So I get a lot of products, and instead of just letting it sit in my collection, collect dust, because I know I'm not going to use it or already have duplicates of it, I rather give back to you guys. So I do my No Waste Wednesday, one Wednesday at the end of the month, where I just do just a giveaway. There's nothing special about the video. I just talk about all the products that are going to be in the giveaway, and I wait about a week and I send it out to the winner. That's all I do. Nothing special. All I ask is that you're just subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment below. That's literally all you have to do to be interested in that. But don't do it in this video. Do it in that video when I post it later on. But that's what my No Waste Wednesday is, because I don't believe in letting it sit here and just collect dust. I'd rather somebody get a better use out of it than I would. So that's why I do it. So this is going to go into my No Waste Wednesday. Now, a lot of people have told me this is one of their favorite mascaras from Benefit Cosmetics. I am obsessed with my Roller Lash mascara, which is somewhere on this desk. My desk is atrocious right now because I just got done filming and it's just a mess. But I have yet to try this one out. I have 2 of them now in my collection. But I want to give this back to somebody because hopefully they'll be able to get a use out of it. Hopefully they'll like it. I'm just going to go ahead and throw that into the giveaway. So that's just going to be adding to the items. All right, so the next product is from... Oh, I forgot to read it. They have a little card. See, that's my trash. We're not going to look at that. All right, so it said for Benefit Cosmetics that the full size is $25 and that the mascara is supposed to make you look instantly more awake. This mascara gives a natural lengthen and volume look. Gently wiggle the wand from lash line to lash tip. Never heard it wiggle. All right, so this is from Dr. Lip. This is the original Nipple balm. Allie, you're 30. Act 30 years old. Don't laugh at a nipple balm. Don't say it. Don't do it. Do you put it on your nipples? Okay. The original nipple balm for lips. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so mature when it comes to that. Full size is $14.50. This multi-purpose 100% natural formula works to rehydrate skin and lips, soothes sunburns, tames unruly brows, and nourishes thirsty cuticles. What? For dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. But can you put it on your nips? Just, you know what? My best friend just gave birth on April 15th. I'm going to give this to her because, you know, the boobies. And I'm not saying this is very boobies. I'm not saying that. I mean, it's a nipple balm, just saying. Anyway, so she actually has really bad dry skin. And I'm going to go ahead and pass this her way so that she can use this for herself. Just give it a try. And if she likes it, I'll just go ahead and buy her the full size. Granted, it is multi-use. You can use it for so many different things. It's not just for your lips and your nipples. It's also just for anything to rehydrate your skin, soothe sunburns, but untame really brows. But I just think that she might get a benefit off of this. And if she likes it, like I said, I'll just get it for her. But yeah, that's I've never heard of this. Interesting name. I need to grow up. I've been up really early. Okay, my dog has had a rough night. She had to go get a round of vaccinations yesterday for just for her yearly checkup. She had to get her rabies shot redone. Now she doesn't go back for another 3 years. She had to do her distemper and her bordetella, her yearly checkup, and she just had like kind of like a rough episode, and she's been having pretty bad diarrhea all night. So we've been up all night, and so I'm tired. All right, so this is from Love of Color, One and Done Shadow Stick Champagne Problems. Full size is $10. Our favorite eyeshadow ever. This waterproof stick gives up to 11 hours of creaseless color. To sharpen, use a Love of Color sharpener available at Birchbox.com. Well, I unfortunately don't have that, but let's take a look at it. Oh, that is like a champagne. Now, me personally, I don't like stick eyeshadows. I've had them before. They're not really for me. They tend to like break off, and I just have a hard time using them. I know people can use them as like eyeliners, and you can use them for lips. You can use them for so many different things. I just don't really get the best use out of these. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into my giveaway as well, just because I know I'm not going to use this. I'm not going to try it just because I'm not a big fan of crown shadow thingamabobbies. So that's going to go there. All right, the next one is from, this makes me excited. Okay, So we got two things in here. I like how they doubled it up. That makes me feel so special. Okay, this is from Amica. This is the Bust Your Brass shampoo. Full size is $24, and they also have the Bust Your Brass conditioner, full size $24. To get the bright, buttery blonde hair, it uses violet shampoo that cuts out harsh, brashy tones. Ingredients like avocado oil help to hydrate rather than strip. I've heard nothing but good things from Amica. I do have a few other sprays. You can actually find a lot of their products at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I don't know why. I mean, actually, I buy a lot of my shampoo there. My Jocko, my purple hair shampoo, I find it there too. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just if you can buy it at a bargain, why not? So I'm definitely gonna give this a try, especially because this is for cool blonde hair. And I've gotten a lot of questions recently on why my hair has looked more vibrant or lavender or whatever it is. You guys are thinking it looks like grayish. It's my Fanola shampoo. I think I'm saying it right, Fanola. I'll have it listed down below so where you guys can find it. I'll link it through Amazon. It's not gonna be like an affiliate link or anything like that, but I'll have it listed down below where I get my shampoo. And usually the reason why it gets so vibrant right up here is because this is where my hairstylist focused most of the bleach right up here to get the more blonder effects, because she likes it when it frames my face, because that's like the first thing that you guys see. So like back here, it'll be a little bit darker, but up in front it gradually gets lighter because it's what's framing my face. And so whenever I use that shampoo, you're only supposed to use about once a week. You leave it on for about 5 minutes and it's going to turn any sort of brassiness into your hair into a lighter color. So mine is already vibrant blonde. It's turning it more lavender and silver because I tend to leave it longer than 5 minutes. I don't mean to, but I'm sitting in the shower talking to Corey that I kind of forget about it. But it's very, very, very pigmented. So I do let you guys know it is very pigmented. So if you have like color like this, start your hair like super blonde streaks, it is going to completely like stain your hair. Now my work absolutely hates it when I have my hair like this, but I'm not working right now. So I actually wish I can go to my hairstylist and be like, listen, you see this right here? Can you just do this and do my whole hair like that? The second that I can actually do that, you guys best believe I'm gonna come back with like gray, silver, purplish hair. That's my goal, is to have this be all over. It's not right now because I have to keep it like Disney look, but one day it's gonna be. So I'm excited to give these ones for sure a try because it's gonna be great. The next product, oh my God, it's a full-size product. This is from Lawless. This is the Soft Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is a full size. Okay, so the full size is $25, so you're already getting your dollar's worth. It says a clean, comfortable liquid lipstick is tough to find. We love this because it hydrates with natural ingredients for a long wear, yet creamy finish with no caking or cracking. I've actually never tried anything from Lawless Beauty. I've always wanted to. I just always have a hard time finding it in stores. I like to look at the products in person if I can, but this is such beautiful packaging, by the way. So freaking nice. And this is the color. You smell like nail polish at first. What? No way. It's such a weird smell. It's sweet like berries, but then I feel like it has like the smallest hint of nail polish. That could just be me. That could just be me. But this is the shadow, or this is the liquid lip right here. Now that's a little bit too pinky for my taste, but I could definitely mix this in with another liquid lip to get the color that I'm looking for. I could probably use this as like an inner lip to make like an ombre effect, but I've always wanted to try this brand. I'm trying to like smell it without getting on my nose. Like I'm literally making an effort to do that. Okay, yeah. It's a very unique smell, but I'm excited to give this a try, and I'm excited that they put the full size of like a liquid lip. I don't need any more, but that is a really cute packaging, and this is this shade Alex. So that is really cool. I'm definitely gonna be keeping 3 out of the 6 items in here, and I actually really do like my Birchbox so far. Yes, can some of the sample size be really small? Yeah, it can be, but I really like the fact they do include a full size item in there, because Play by Sephora never did that. It was just always little sample sizes. You never got full size products. So this reminds me more of the Allure Beauty box, because that's the same price, $15 a month. But Allure Beauty does do 2 full size items, where Birchbox so far has only done 1 full size items. At least to me, it only done 1. I haven't seen what the previous boxes have. Okay, so my microphone just stopped recording, and I probably rambled on for 5 more minutes. I think it's trying to tell me, bitch, shut up, because I literally recorded 2 videos today, and it's just like, you know what, I've had enough. And look at that, I started eating and everything, ready for dinner, and started editing this video, and I was like, oh shit, didn't record the last bit of audio. So what I was trying to say is that I actually really do like this box so far. I think it's better than my Play by Sephora, because they do add full-size items in here, pretty much of brands that I already recognize to begin with. I mean, at the end of the day, I still do miss my Play by Sephora, but it's kind of nice to have a replacement. It is nice to go ahead and fill this in. And like I said, I know a lot of you guys were not the biggest fan of Birchbox, but so far I've been pretty impressed for what I've had. But maybe just because I'm new and they're trying to like swindle me over, I don't know. But I'm excited to keep seeing what they have in store. I've liked the past 3 boxes that I've got so far, so that's why I'm excited that I got this. I think it's pretty cool, and I'm gonna try to keep this short because I want to go eat my dinner and not have to be cut off again. Microphone. Jeez, that's a way to tell somebody to shut up. So yeah, I actually really do like this box. I'm so glad I got it. And like I said, I'll link everything down below about where you guys can find this, all the codes and everything, that where I got my shampoo, and then all of the face makeup that I'm wearing now. Now, I will definitely say that the face makeup is going to be affiliate links. Not everything is an affiliate link, but I do want to let you guys know that if you guys click on the link, you don't have to purchase the product, but if you purchase anything from that site, I do make like the smallest commission off of it. I have yet to see a nickel and dime from anything, but I do want to just be open and transparent that they are affiliate links, so one day I can potentially make something off of it. But that's again up to you if you want to use it. I just want to be completely open and honest about it. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. Guys, if you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4 or every other day at this point. Also, make sure you guys head on over to our other channel. It's Our Photo Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures with my amazing fiance Corey. He's shaking his head because I completely forgot this part. And yeah guys, I just want to thank you guys for all your love, support, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye. So for today's video, we're gonna unbox, all right, so Birchbox, not bitch. Oh my god, they should have a Birchbox. Okay, Sephora, it's been great, but their full sizes haven't, but they're, I think, so overall, out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but I mean, I think it's nice to have like, but also make sure you guys head on over to Our Photo Life. It's my, I blinked. Also make sure you guys head on over to, what's Our Photo Life? Also make sure you guys head on over to Our Photo Life. Why am I blinking on what I say? Oh, also you guys head on over to my other no. I can't believe I forgot what our thing was. Sorry.